pink envelope. I have Wantable. So I did Wantable reviews like way back in the day and just brought them back fresh fall of 2021. And I liked them a lot. Like I really liked them. So I went ahead and ordered a Wantable style edit, but they have like a sleep and body one. Totally ordering that one next. I don't know why I didn't order it, honestly. I should just go ahead and order it because I really want to try that out. I've heard great things and I sleep in like old t-shirts and like old shorts. And I'm sure my husband would not mind if I cleaned my look up a little bit. I'm sure I would feel better. But anyways, that is coming next. But for here, Wantable is a clothing subscription box. They do have a $20 style fee that is applied to your purchase. And if you buy 5 or more items, you get 20% off your box and there are 0 shipping fees. You choose your frequency, like they have back-to-back edits. I think they have like every 2 months edits. I just log in and tell them I want a box when I want a box. So it's not recurring for me. They ship to the US territories, including Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and Guam. They also ship to APO, AFO, and DPO military addresses. So they have a pretty good shipping range, which is always appreciated. They carry sizes extra small through 3X, which is about a 0 through 24. And yeah, they have like a men's edit. The style edit is here. The active edit, I'm not interested in because I do yoga club. And then the sleep and body is coming soon. So maybe I can get my husband to do a men's edit. Y'all comment below. Would y'all be interested in seeing a men's Wantable or not? If y'all say yes, he'll do it, but it's gonna take y'all saying yes to get him to do it. Okay, price range is $50 to $100 for a style edit, and an edit box contains 7 items. Enough talking, let's see what's in here. I'm really excited. All right, last time I did this, I'm pretty sure I threw it like all over the floor. Let's see if I do better this time. Pretty good. Little sticker right here that says styled for Samantha. Very cute. In here are all the clothes. That's my color. These are my color. This is a good start. Loving the colors. We have the bag to return everything with the postage already on it. That is a UPS attached label. I'm a UPS girl, so I'm great. But if you are not a UPS girl, here is a USPS postage. Who does that? That is so nice. One of my problems I run into is I never am near a USPS. So when they only do USPS, I'm like, so how cool to give both options. My stylist is Andrea or Andrea, don't know how. And I told her once again, like, I need to refresh my closet. I don't know what I want. I just need to refresh. So she talks about what's in here. She talks about layering, putting transitional pieces in. And as always, I have 5 days to try wear and see what I like before shipping it back. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, 7 items in here. The total is $413. However, if I keep 5 or more items, I save $82.60. So it could be only $330 for all of these items. That's actually really good. 7 items for $330 that are like curated by your stylist, shipped to you. I'm here for that. Okay, let's slide over here and let me put an outfit on. Outfit 1, yikes. So like a few things. I have no booty. So like normally a dress like this would go in, then your hips would fill it out and your booty would fill it out, but I lack those items. So I put on dresses like this and it kind of just does like this funny hourglass shape. You can also see it's kind of like, not like, the material's not lifted because of my curves. It's like hangy, not a flattering look. It does have pockets though. Pretty excited about that, and it's super stretchy. Very forgiving, like I'm sucking in none of the tummy. That part's nice. It is my green, I love this green. But yeah, just not a good fit, but here is the deal. Wantable makes it easy for it to be okay that it's not a good fit. And as we're going through all of these different women's clothing boxes, I want you to kind of take notes of what are important to you in a box. For me, if an item is sent and it doesn't work out, I don't want to be penalized for it. And so I'm like, okay, this guy didn't fit, that's okay. I'm gonna ship it back. That easy. For those of you who are interested, this is a Mark New York tie-dye midi dress. At $69, I'm wearing a small in the color moss. I do love the color moss. Okay, let me go get my next outfit. Here is outfit number 2. This is so me. I don't know if that's good or bad. I think it's good. This is so me. This sweater is delicious. It is so soft. I do not need another cozy up, lazy sweater, but we'll see if I actually return this. How much is it? I don't know. The brushed crew neck camo pullover is $58. Not expensive enough to make me axe it. That's for sure. And then, funny, I literally wrote, these are my style notes. Hi, I'm looking for non-skinny jeans and an in general wardrobe refresh. Definitely wearing a skinny jean. They're great. I love them. I'm not gonna buy them because I own about 50 pair of skinny jeans and I need to not buy skinny jeans. Nobody wears them anymore. We're not supposed to wear them anymore. I will always wear them. But I need to mix it up. So these are going back just because I don't need them. They are the Marley Skinny medium wash, $68. Very cute, very comfy. They are actually too big for me. But great jean. But do I need another lazy sweater? Do I? This, so like skinny jeans that I already own. This with a leather jacket over it. Pretty cute. I don't know. I'm gonna think on it. Let me go grab my next outfit. Okay, here's the next look. It's just a big no. Big fat no. Colors, spot on. Love the deeper blues. Love the colors even here. Love the greens. Like she nailed that. But this is another skinny jean. So I'm thinking when I said send non-skinny jeans, she might have actually read that as send skinny jeans because it would make sense. Like why would she purposely send? So I'm thinking we probably had a miscommunication there because she nailed all the other color points. I need to get on and check. I don't wear cardigans. So typically I tell my subscription boxes, do not send me a cardigan. I won't keep it. I don't wear them. I would love to know, do you guys wear cardigans? Is a cardigan yeah, that's a staple for me. I always have one. Or are you no, I never put them on. I don't hate them. I think they're cute. I literally just never put them on. So the cardigan is a no, although it is extremely soft and the color is great. It'll have to go back. And then the top, I just don't like it. I don't know. I don't feel pretty in it. When I look at it, I'm like, oh my gosh, look how cute. It is, it looks like Stitch Fix. It reminds me of Stitch Fix. And there's elastic down here, so I can't tell if that's supposed to be tighter and this is supposed to drape over the front. What is the elastic down there for? I don't know. I don't know. Not my style, not me. I don't feel super cute in it. And then even though the pants are the greatest color ever, they are ginormous. And so, and they're skinny. So these all gotta go. But let me give you some pricing. The blue cardigan is $49. That's reasonable. This top is $42. That's reasonable. These green pants are $68. That's reasonable. So I have, what do I have? Just one more thing to put on. I might go just slip it on with these pants and then we'll chat. And here's the last item. Not my style. Good color blocking though. We're very, very blocky. I kind of feel like a 80s, 90s Adidas sports ad wearing this. I just need some wind pants. Very comfy. Very well, actually the outside out here is super soft. The inside's really coarse. It's actually kind of weird. Now realizing I keep saying super soft, but no, when it touches my belly, I'm like, ugh. So, funny. All right, this guy is $59, very reasonable. Here's what I love about Wantable. Should I have loved this box? They're gonna give me a discount for keeping 5 or more items. That's amazing. So if I find where I really only like one of the items, which is that camo sweater over there, I do like it, but I don't like the other 6. It's actually super simple. I throw it into the bag that they provided with the postage they provided and I send it back. But let's say I didn't like anything and I want to return it all. All I lose is the $20 style credit. And honestly, Wantable's customer service is so good. If it's a one-off this never happens and I didn't like anything in the box, reach out to them. They are super amazing. They're here to help. So in this case, I do want to keep the camo pullover. It is a $58 camo pullover. I already spent $20 on my style fee. which will go to that item. So for $38, I'm gonna keep the camo pullover that I love, throw everything in the bag and ship it off, and I'm done. And I'm actually going to right now order my body edit from Wantable to get some like PJs and lounge clothes in to see what that looks like so I can share with you guys. To check out, you just go to wantable.com. Literally as soon as I typed it in, it said, hey Samantha, you ready to check out? You check out online and you're done. It's really, really simple. It's all online, it's all automated. I love that. I've already filmed a front door fashion that's coming your way. I've already filmed a JB style box that's coming your way. I have a trend send coming. I have so many boxes. I want to just inundate the channel with clothing options for you guys so that you can start picking through and finding ones that are a match for you. I probably will loop back with the second front door fashion. I usually get at least 2 per season because they're my favorite and they're so good. But I was really impressed with a couple of new boxes that we hit on the channel in fall that I want to feature a bit more on because I just liked it. The thing that I did not tell you guys that I do want to share, and I share this about all of my boxes, is the rewards program. Every customer that signs up with Wantable has their own unique referral link. And every time you share it with a friend and they order and purchase a box, you get $25 to shop with. I love boxes that encourage us to share with one another and reward us for taking the time to share. So this is another box I give a big thumbs up to having a cool rewards program. It just makes things fun. Okay, here is the sweater I love. I'm gonna keep it. Put everything else in the bag that already had the postage on it. I'm gonna go drop this off at UPS. Super easy. I probably could call for a pickup, but I'm always at UPS, so I don't need to. I'm done. This is what I love about a great clothing box. It makes everything so easy. So my stylist picked out my clothes, shipped it to me. I tried everything on in the comfort of my home with you guys, and then I ship it back. There is a big difference in being able to try on clothes in your own home. Like at the department store, if you find a really cute pair of pants, but you happen to be wearing the wrong underwear, you can't tell how they fit. When you're trying it on at home, you just go swap your underwear. If you are trying on a top, but you don't have the right pants to match, or maybe not the right undergarment, a bra or whatever, you just go swap it. You're in your own lighting, in your own home. It is just very easy to be like honest with yourself about what you like and don't like versus the pressure of being in the store and there's loud and people and what if you have to swap sizes? It just gets crazy. So I am a big fan. And you guys, I have so many boxes coming. I cannot wait to share with you guys all of the cool stuff coming. So please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. If you are a Wantable subscriber, comment below and tell us what you think. Which of the 3 edits are your favorite? Do you do them all? Should I get Jonathan to do a men's Wantable? If you want to try Wantable, go down below, grab that URL to sign up and let us know if you subscribed. If you have not already, go join Ask the Pink Envelope group on Facebook. We have so much fun on there. I do not fill the wall with a bunch of video announcements. It's us just chatting, hanging out, talking about likes and dislikes when it comes to subscription boxes. It's really a lot of fun, and there's a phenomenal group over there. All right, y'all. I hope that you have an absolutely blessed day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.